Myself, Dr. Imanshu. I am from Chennai Medical College and Hospital, Bhopal. Today I am here to give review on a book that is Surgery Except for NB by Dr. R. Raj Mahendran. The book is totally colored and it has been updated from Bailey and Love 27th edition, Sevister and Schwartz. AJCC Cancer Staging 8th edition and ATLS 10th edition guidelines has been included in the book. Now as we open the book, the content is divided into 5 sections. Section 1 is of general surgery. Section 2 is the head, neck, thyroid and breast. Section 3 is GI surgery. Section 4 is the hepatobiliary and pancreatic surgery. Section 5 is of specialty and section 6 is the final over, that is a small brief and last minute revisions with general surgical instruments. Now as we move on, the book contains a section of latest exam questions. The question has been based on recent pattern exam questions and AIIMS, JIPMA, PGI and FMG questions which were asked in previous year with each and every session. Now after end of these questions, the explanation of these questions along with answers and references has been given very nicely. Now when we move inside, beginning of each and every chapter there are one-liners. This one-liners gives us a basic idea of the subject. Now these one-liners are important for Viva point of view, PG entrance point of view, as some one-liners are. The most important part of the book is the Bailey's 27th edition updates. There is in yellow box. There are two types of yellow boxes in the book. One is in the theory part and another one is the MCQ part. The theory part yellow box is of the Bailey's edition update, latest edition, and the yellow box into the MCQ part are the recent pattern exam questions. Now after that there are so much of blue boxes you can see in the book. These are of must know. Must know are these are boxes with additional information which everyone should know for their entrance examination and for their university point of examination. As we know, surgery is a subject for recent advances. Now there is a green box in the book which contains every recent advances. After that you can see the book contains a green arrow which is for extra mile. It contains high facts which a person must know for his entrance examination. Now, the book has number of MCQs. There are image-based questions which is followed by their answer with explanation. After that, there are multiple choice questions. Initially, there is a yellow box which contains recent pattern questions. After that, there are questions from previous exams like AIIMS, JIPMA, FMG, All India. After these questions, the explanation is given answers along with explanation is given very nicely along with the name and page number of the book from where the reference is taken, so the student can directly refer to the book. Now the book has a very simple and understandable language. The contains number of images. First of all, there are images of gross specimen, images of persons with conditions, images of operations like perioperative, intraoperative and postoperative part. The book contains more number of tables differentiating two different conditions, so we can easily understand both conditions by differentiating each other. The book contains various radiological images. As we know, signs are important in surgery. The signs are been compiled at the later part of the book but given very nicely in the between of the pages too. Now, the images for various surgical procedures are also given, which are self-explanatory and easily understandable to a student. The book contains various resected specimens. Now after systemic surgery, it has section known as specialty surgery. It is also given in very easy understandable language with procedures, names of procedures, CT, MRI, X-rays images which are self-explanatory, and wherever explanation is given very nicely by the author. Now, then the last section is of the final over. The final over first chapter is the general surgical instruments, which is started with the one-liners as in every chapter. It is as image-based questions. Now after image-based questions, the explanation of each instrument is given very nicely at the end. Now there is a separate section known as future expected instruments. So this is very important part, as these are the instruments which are having high probability to come in the upcoming entrance examinations. After the image and general instrument questions, there are last minute revisions. Last minute revision for the entrance point of view, Viva point of view, started with the named operations. After named operation, there is a science in surgery. As discussed earlier, the science are very important in surgery. So it is compared at the end of the book. Various science along with the conditions in which they are seen has been there present in the end chapter. Now, named walls is there. Tumor types is also present. Now table from pediatric surgery, that is the timing of surgery, when to do in a children. that is given very nicely, and various questions has been come into the examination on the timings of the pediatric surgery has been given very nicely. Ectopic sites of various conditions has been given at the end, and this last chapter, that is last minute tables, is very important for revision as well as for the clinical examination. As discussed earlier, the book contains AJCC 8th edition updates. It has been compiled, this all update has been compiled in the last second chapter of the book. So at the time of revision, one has to not search each and every book for the update. It has given very nicely at one place. Last portion consists of PGI Chandigarh questions. These questions are given section wise, as we are discussing the content. 6 sections are there. It has given in the 6 section wise questions, and the explanation of each and every question has been given at the end of the questions, along with the explanation and the reference from where the answer has been taken. So Surgery 6 is a must-have book for the students who are going to appear in their final year examination or in the entrances like NEET, NEXT or the Central Institute examination. As this book contains updates from the standard textbooks like Bailey, Sebastian and Schwartz. One-liners are important. Image-based questions has been given in a very nice manner. Instruments are covered nicely. So it is a must-have book for surgery, although for those who are preparing for their examinations and their entrances. Thank you.